Hey you guys, welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm Janae Simone. Thanks so much for tuning in. If it's your first time visiting, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell right now so you can get notifications every single time I post. If you are not new to this channel, welcome. Thanks for tuning in again. Please make sure you hit that like button. So today we're going to be doing a mini unboxing Forever 21 haul. I'm super excited. So you guys may have seen, May is my birthday month, so May 9th was my birthday. My brother ordered me some stuff from Forever 21. Well, I mean, I ordered it with his money for my birthday. So yeah, I just got it. It just came in the mail, so we're about to just see what we got. It wasn't too much stuff, you know, but this is just one of the things that he bought me. So I was kind of taking it light, but I'm super excited because some things that I really needed, just some simple things. So let's get to it. This is the box. Okay, it's kind of medium weight, I don't know, but I'm super excited. Okay, let's do it. So I can't find my scissors, so I'm about to use a pen. Alright, so let's pull out the first thing. I've never shopped online at Forever 21 before, so this is a real life new experience for me, but I do love Forever 21. That's one of my go-to stores. So yeah, but this is really different for me, shopping online. So I got, let's see, the first thing is, oh, okay, just, yeah, because I really needed some like just cute simple like tank tops just for wearing for the hot weather that we're about to get and all that stuff. So this is baby pink, this baby pink size medium spaghetti strap tank top. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so okay, so yeah, a white, this one's actually a different kind of material, but a white spaghetti strap tank top. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got this medium, we got like this medium, what is this, leopard, what is this kind of top called? Like a cami or like a, no, not halter. I don't know, but it's one of those crop tops that's like straight, you know, across the chest, and really thin straps. So super cute and stylish. Let's see. Okay, oh, and we have the same kind of shirt but in white. The material is like kind of thick, so that's cool. If I didn't want to wear a bra or something, this would be great. I got size medium in these. I'm hoping that they're not too big. They look actually a little too big, like a little wide. So yeah, and I don't know what the return policy and stuff is, but I'm gonna try it on. Hopefully everything fits because I really hate having to return stuff. But yeah, so it looks kind of big, but it looks super cute and comfortable. Okay. Oh yes, so we got this, to match the leopard top, we got this long leopard high slit skirt. I don't wear skirts really ever, like I really don't wear skirts, but I do like long high slit skirts, like if I do wear a skirt, which is kind of crazy because people say I'm short, but I love like long high slit skirts. So yeah, this would be a super cute to wear separately or together with the leopard top. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I got these medium-sized purple lavender like biker shorts. So, and they're kind of like the longer ones, like not the shorter ones, just because I don't know, like I'm just not as out there with my body as I used to be like when I was a teenager. So like long things and like super not exposed things is like more my style as I get older. But yeah, I'm about to rock these. They're about to be hecka cute and just as sexy as the girls with the super short ones. Y'all watch. But yeah, super cute, thick material. So yeah, like you can't see through it or anything, so perfect. Okay. Ooh. So I love rompers. So this is a yellow romper, you know, with the shorts to it, but the shorts like flare out. So like my hips and my butt gonna be looking all luxurious up in these. Yeah, super cute. But this looks, oh, I'm just really hoping that I didn't get, like, I feel like I got everything in the size medium, but for some reason it's looking kind of big. Like, I don't know. It's looking kind of big. So that really worries me. Okay. All right, and we got these shorts in size 27. These look like these are gonna fit real cute. Like it's like thin at the waist and it kind of like flares out at the hips. So it's gonna like make my butt look big, which my butt is big. I'm joking. My butt is not that big. But it's also going to make my hips look big. So yeah, that's awesome. These look like they're gonna fit. This is a size 27, so yes, I'm feeling these. And it got like the pleats in it, like super cute, trendy, I think, I don't know. But yeah, I like these a lot. I also haven't been really wearing shorts that much because I don't know what my mind is on these days, but showing my body that much, I don't know, I really don't know. But okay, the last thing. Okay. Wild Diva Lounge. Okay, so yes, I got these like clear translucent like sandals, like these slide-in sandals. Okay. So yeah, like let me see, let me see if y'all can see because y'all can't really tell. So I got these in a size 10. Yeah, so I wear size 9, but I realized that with Forever 21, they got the dang glue. Really? Hopefully I can wipe that off. They got like the dang glue that connects the plastic part to the shoe. Like the glue is on the plastic part, like you can completely see it. That's tacky, but hopefully I could wipe that off. Anyways, so I got these in a size 10. I do wear size 9, but I realized in Forever 21, like sandals, like a size 10. So I'm gonna just try to show you guys that. Yeah, it's like clear on the top. So I thought that was super cute. They look super cute. My toes is not done, so I'm not gonna give y'all a real close up. But basically, it's clear, so you can see the foot in there. So yes, yeah, that is my mini haul from Forever 21. I'm super excited to rock this stuff. Like I'm telling you, I needed just a couple little things to just get my, I haven't been shopping in so long, so to just get my summer stuff rolling. Yeah, I needed some tank tops. I needed at least a pair of shorts, some new sandals. I had to get a romper. I have a lot of rompers, but I have to get a new one. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty proud about this. So shout out to my brother. Thank you, thank you. Okay, you guys. Yeah, please make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button right now. Talk to your girl down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.